weapon market is very dirty business, very dirty business. And even we bought some from NATO, and we bought some, our people bought some from Bulgaria and from NATO, and they armed themselves. And then when the Yugoslav army left Bosnia, we took it because this is made by our own taxes. This is by our money. That's why we take it. Ovo je gospodin Limonov, pisac ruski, veoma poznat.
Yeah, it's a mighty weapon.
The Turks and even Muslims who have been previously Serbs and converted into Islam, they used to live in the centers of cities, while Serbs used to possess the entire ground, and that was Serbian country when Turks came. We may be negotiating about territory, but we own this country. This is our country. Turks have been here occupiers, and the Muslims are successors of those occupiers. You notice how many mosques they have.
Those white minarets, yeah.
Yeah. After Turks came, after Kosovo battle, those Serbs who didn't accept Islam have been pushed to the mountains, out of valleys, out of good country.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So the traditional imposed geopolitics.
Geopolitics, yeah. Yes, exactly. They accepted to be poor, but not to change their own religion.
Podeljenje, razbroj! Šanđe! Hurvac! Vojsnik Šanđe! Prvi dodavač! Drugi dodavač! Rezerv! Kod curice da izgleda.
Serbian epic poetry is unique, like Kalevala or Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Bitva za Kosovo.
Yes,
Yeah.
from
I
the
read
Kosovo
it in the
and through the slavery under the Turks and to rebellion and to liberation from Ottoman Empire. This is unique. Although I admire it, I write more lyrical poetry. 1 book for children and 3 for the adults, let's say for the 4 but 4 was not published. This is captured in my apartment.
Yeah.
If you follow from the stadium,
From the stadium on the right.
beside the 2 skyscrapers, and just in front of this garden was my apartment, which was ruined. The private psychiatric office was there for my wife and for me. There is a poem of mine about Sarajevo. The title was Sarajevo. And the first line was, I can hear disaster walking. City is burning out like a Tamian in a church.
Yeah.
In this smoke, there is our conscience over there. And a squad of armed topola, armed trees. Everything I saw armed, everything I saw in terms of fight, in terms of war, in terms of army terms. That was 23 years ago that I have written this poem. And many other poems have something of prediction, which frightened me sometimes.
Topola, that is a Russian word.
Topola, yeah?
The same. Topola.
Nije bila Sveta Trojica još jo.
Dođe treći put.
Koja zaratuje, gora zaratuje.
Yes, da. Vjerovatno je ovo 104.
Jeste.
Jeste? Da. Da. A gdje je komandno mjesto? Reći mi. Dobro, da li možete da dobijete moju ženu?
Ja mu sam pokažem.
Aha.
Objašnjavaj, ajde.
Hodi. A koja je to rasa?
Seoski.
Ja, da? Da! Jeste? Koga? Bato, ko je Bato? Samo moment.
Alo? Alo? Ko je?
Ali ja ih ne čujem ništa. Halo? Halo? Pa isključ. A je li orao to? Je li to orao? Halo, orao, za koga je važna vijest? Halo? Za koga je važna vijest? Halo? Kod mene se niko ne javlja. Sve je to orao. Hvala lijepo orao. Doviđenja. Prijatno.
Mirno! Pomeraj se tamo. Glavo desno. Pozdrav! Nadaj! Tu!
If you want us to be dead, we are not going to commit suicide. Come and kill us.
You are very courageous people. You, despite anything what is against you, it's a great power of almost
Almost the entire world.
15 countries against you, and you resist. And I repeat again, we Russians, we should take example from you. You are people of my blood, of my religion. I really admire that. I found the right word now, that is admiration. I feel
Zaklinjem se čašću i životom! Zaklinjem se čašću i životom! Da ću braniti! Da ću braniti! Suverenost, teritoriju, nezavisnost!
Everybody, when I were in the front, everywhere, the Serbians ask when the Cossacks will come. They want to go. Only the problem of money.
You can resolve it. That's no problem.
The soldiers are poor. It's evident.
I think in the next few days, 400 will come. We have already paid some tickets for.
Even so.
train, yes.
So we'll have our jihad finally. Our Orthodox Greek jihad.